Nnọọnụ nnọọnụ daalụnụ daalụnụ ndewonụ ndewo ndewo ụtụtụ ọma ụtụtụ ọma ehihie ọma ehihie ọma mgbede ọma mgbede ọma. Which is your time zone? Receive yours. Boza boza boza. Hi, I'm Ihoma Ifrem. Aha m bụ Ihoma Ifrem. Abụ m onye nkuzi Igbo. I am your Igbo tutor. Do you know one thing about this Igbo? If I start teaching you an Igbo language without using English, you won't be able to understand. The reason is you are a beginner or you are trying to learn how to speak Igbo language. So that's why we communicate with English, so you understand better. The Igbo language has 8 vowels, which are categorized into 2 groups. They are the oral vowels and the nasal vowels. The oral vowels are pronounced as A, E, I, O, U. That's in Igbo language. Unlike the English vowels that is pronounced as A, E, I, O, U. The Igbo vowels or the Igbo oral vowels is pronounced as A, E, I, O, U. Okay? These vowels are pronounced without any nasal quality. It is pronounced without any nasal quality. Nasal quality, this means it is pronounced without any airflow through the nose as well as the mouth. Okay? But the nasal vowels are what the longer E. That's I, O, U. The nasal vowels have a distinct nasal sound where the air flow goes through the nose as well as the mouth. It's good you understand this. Understanding these vowels is crucial in mastering Igbo pronunciation, as vowel tones and sounds can change the meaning of words. In this video, we're going to focus on the oral vowel, that is the A, E, I, O, U in Igbo language. So let's begin. Can you bido? A. A. This is similar to how the A in father is pronounced. Its sound cleared and not nasalized. Example of an Igbo word for A vowel is Aku. Aku. Aku means wealth. Aku means wealth. Another word is Azu. Azu. Azu means fish. Azu means fish. Another word is Aka. Aka. Aka means hand. Aka means hand. Let's go to the next vowel. E. E sounds like the E in met. E, met. Example of an Igbo word for E is Eke. Eke is a market day, one of the 4 Igbo market days. Another word is Efere. Efere. Efere means plate. Efere means plate. Another word is Emeka. Emeka. Emeka means well done. Emeka means well done. The next vowel is I. I. This is like the E in say. I, say. I. An Igbo word for I is Ime or Ime. Ime. Ime means inside. Inside. Another Igbo word is Ite. Ite. Ite means pot. Ite means pot. Another example is iko. Iko means cup or mug. Cup or mug. The next vowel is O. O. This sounds like the O in go. O. Go. Example of an Igbo word for O is oge. Oge meaning time. Oge. Oge means time. Oge means time. Another word is osikapa. Osikapa. Osikapa means rice. Rice. The next vowel is U. U. This is like the U in boot. U, boot. Example of an Igbo word for U is ude. Ude. Ude means cream, like the body cream we make use of. Another example is udo. Udo. Udo means peace. Udo means peace. Udo means what? Peace. Another word is ute. Ute. Ute means mat. Ute means mat. Wow. I'd like you to practice from the beginning to the end. Yes, we will end here today. In our next video, you will learn the 3 vowels that have a nasal quality, where the airflow passes through both the mouth and the nose. Watch out for the video. Thank you and see you.